What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today we are going to be checking out the new PCG Biomes Sample in Unreal Engine 5.4 preview. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is enable two plugins. So let's go up into Edit, go to Plugins and search for PCG. And you will see that we have this PCG Biome Core plugin, which is basically new, and then the PCG Biomes Sample. So let's enable this one. Yes, it's an experiment, that's okay. And this one, yes, is an experimental. Now we will also need this one, which is the PCG itself, but it will be automatically enabled once we enable this too. So let's just press restart now. And now if I search for PCGs, you can see we have this one, and also these two which are needed, which are automatically enabled. So now let me go ahead and open up my content browser. And what we need to do is basically go to settings and enable these two things, which is show engine content and show plugin content. So by default you have like this disabled. So let's enable show engine content and then also show plugin content. That will allow us to see in the content browser more folders that are hidden by default. And in this case, let's go to plugins under engine, and we go down. We should go on here to the P section. We should basically go and see this PCG Biome Sample content, and then if we go under maps, we can open up the Biome Sample level, and boom, here we go. We have this really cool biome level that, you know, Unreal Engine, well, Epic Games built for us to go ahead and check out. And as you can see, it's really cool. So we have different types of biomes by default. We have broadleaf, we have desert, we have kind of more like pines, right, on the mountains. We also have, like, I don't know how we could say this, like type of more grassy bushes, farmy biome. And then also we have rocks. Okay, so by default we have those biomes and they look very cool. And for example, if I were to select this biome over here, this plain, which let me do it like here in the hierarchy, so it's a bit in the outline, so it's easier. You can see that's really nice because now we can have different splines that we can do like this, and the biomes will basically go and kind of, you know, interpolate everything like that. It's really cool. If we go now also into here and we go into the root folder of this biome sample content, we can go into the biome assets, and then we can go and open up the broadleaf forest, for example, right? And we can check out all the details of this asset. So we have, for example, all the individual trees like the spruce. We have also the PCG tree itself. We have the other tree and so on, right? The meshes and the weight and all the options and things like that. And then of course, if we go back and go to the definitions, we can see the biome itself. So we can see here, right? So that's really cool. Now they're also you know, saved in data assets, which is easier for us to manage. Now also we go into the main, you know, king itself, which is the main biome core PCG volume, and open this up, we can see the code. Now basically this is the logic of, you know, spawning all the different points, right? Sampling the points throughout the landscape, adding noise, the density scale, and so on. Now this is a pretty advanced PCG volume code, but you get the idea. This is how it is. So definitely, as you know, time goes, I will be making some tutorials on, you know, Unreal Engine 5.4 new biome sample. Well, not sample, but PCG biomes, right? And you know, we can see all this in more in depth and how we can create our own biomes, right? But I just wanted to make this quick video to showcase this new PCG Biomes Sample because it looks so cool, and it's new in 5.4 preview. I've also been making more tutorials on 5.4 preview as auto retarding, nanite tessellation, and so on, so check that out also. And yeah, that's it guys. If you found this video interesting, I would really appreciate it. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Check out my Pinterest YouTube members for many benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.